G'day viewers, well, I scored another very rare Frigidaire. This Frigidaire is the big brother to my first Frigidaire I scored earlier. Here's a smaller version, and here's a bigger version of that same model fridge from the same era. This one's all complete. All the original shelving in there. Same compressor, meter miser compressor. I just cleaned it out, had to tie it down and stuff some cardboard so it didn't move. There's yeah, I told the original owner had this thing since there was their fathers, and they bought it new. So I'm the second owner. There's oil all over here, but from what I can see, it's not. I think it's from the compressor. This is all oily, so something's been spilled on here. The concrete was pretty clean, but it was a lot of dirt there, so the dirt had been swept up. And the dirt looked kind of oily. It was all on here. If it was here, then yeah, the compressor would be leaking oil and gas. These meter misers have that problem with that seals here, they fail. This one looks okay. Just overall dirty, but this does still work. It does still work quite well. Original cord. So yeah, good score. It's bloody heavy too. Has all the original hardware, and there's bolts. All the springs are intact. Just going to clean this thing up and add this to my fridge collection. Been sitting in that very spot in the shed. I got it out for 50 years. It's missing the other cover that goes here. I'll have to engineer and make one. I don't know if I'm ever going to find a spare, because yeah, these fridges are quite rare in Australia. I don't know if we're going to have luck finding a replacement bit to go over that. Probably going to have to fabricate one. The latch here is in really good condition. Overall, it's in much better condition inside than this one here is. That was all worn out, had to rebuild that. A couple of scratches up there. Other than that, that's big brother to that Frigidaire. Quite a good score. Anyway, let's get it off. That's going to be the fun part. This fridge is bloody heavy. Weighs a ton, this one. Okay, well, this has all the original door for the freezer. I was missing that spring, but I fixed that. I got that spring off me this Frigidaire. That's actually working nice now. Had some repair, but the wear had worn through and been re-drilled. Same with that one. That's better, it goes down. The ice tray things are still there. So a loose screw here, a messy screw there I'm going to fix. No major damage here, so which is good. Sharp, bloody hiccups, sharp objects being there. All the shelves are intact, I just got them all out to clean them. Well, weld this crack up. Clean these shelves up, but all these little doors here are all complete. You never see these anymore. These are always broken and missing. It's in pretty good condition, look at that. All still works. You don't see it nowadays. Give it a wash. Just gotta get some cleaner on it next and clean it that right up. Got the compartment off for the start relay. Let it all air out. It's got a bit wet here. Sturdy product. I washed the compressor compartment down too. That was all filthy in there, so I gave it all a good wash. That's all been washed. A John Sturdy product, made in Australia, of course. That's the terminal box. That's the start relay and overload relay for the compressor in there. Very, very well made. Got to weld that crack up there and seal that. Get some bleaching. Has all sliding shelves which are all in good nick. Under there. Just going to give it a good clean now. This will clean up quite well. Let it dry out before I power it up. It's one thing you got to be careful of when you score these fridges. So there's meter miser compressors. Don't tip them over. It says this for a reason. Before transporting this refrigerator, the compressor unit must be placed in a shipping position by the tightening the suspension studs until the unit is held solid. I did that for a reason so the whole compressor doesn't fall out and rip the pipe work and wiring out, and that's the end of the fridge. But those shipping studs, well, they're gone. Pretty much the same sort of thing when you buy a front loader washing machine. The studs that are in the back. When you buy one of these brand new, there's like a couple of bolts here that go through there and there. That holds all that unit solid when it's transported and shipped. Well, it's the same sort of thing there now. So this is equivalent, but with this old compressor. Basically, this compressor is designed to sit on those springs and just freely dampen the vibrations. Same compressor, meter miser. Very hard to find nowadays. Very unique compressors they are, but it's all cleared up quite well. Looks good. I only washed down here, didn't wet the paperwork. Gotta give it a good clean with some cleaner. Cleared this all down now. This does work fine too. There's nothing wrong with it, so that's a big bonus. Door's nice and tight. That closes really well. That latch is in really good condition. Very good score, that's right. Very lucky find. Sits on it like that. There we go. I'm missing a screw in there, which I'll fix. This is all enamel too. Enamel steel. Bloody heavy. You just can't get these anymore. Very rare to find these. Nice and complete, you just don't see it anymore. Goes in there. Perfect. Anyway, more on this to come when I get in the future videos on this. All that muck is just, I don't know what it's soap or old fat, but they just, yeah, that's got to come off. It's going to take a bit to clean this one. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.